Good afternoon, everyone. I am the representative from LNG Construction and Industrial Services Incorporation. As I stand here today, I am filled with a mixed emotions, pride, gratitude, and sense of accomplishment that we have finally reached the end of our on-the-job training journey with LNG Construction and Industrial Services. I still remember the first day we stepped into the construction site, unsure to what expect but eager to learn, and learn with it. We witnessed the hard work, dedication, and perseverance of the LNG team. Rain or shine, hot weather or not, they showed up every day, committed to delivering exceptional results. We saw the tireless efforts of the workers from early morning hours to late afternoon, working diligently to meet deadlines and exceed expectations. We learn from their experiences and expertise and passion for their work. As we move forward, we'll carry the lessons we've learned, the memories we've made, and relationships we'll build with us. We are proud to represent our group and LNG Construction and Industrial Services Incorporation. Thank you.
Great insights, Orvin. Thank